Hi, come on in. Let me show you around. Now, we did stay here last night, so I apologize if the beds aren't made. It has been a whirlwind of a trip, but I will tell you, these beds are pretty amazing. There's a high ceiling in here. I slept really good last night. I felt like this particular bed right here was screaming my name. Come on in, let me show you around. There are 2 beds for you to choose from.
Don't forget about the closet.
Oh, let's turn. Look, this is actually
It's actually really dark.
It's a very deep closet, so I thought there was a light in there, but this is an older hotel, keep that in mind. It was built in the 1918, I think is what it said, something around there.
Miami Beach was established in 1915, so
I'll have to double check.
It's a very early one.
It's a very old hotel, so you do have the double beds. Over here they have your drink station. This is where you can get your ice, which we found out actually comes from one of the sister hotels, not necessarily here. It's across the street, but they will fill your ice bucket and bring it back to you, so that is an added bonus. The air condition works well. It is touchscreen, which I know it doesn't look like it, but if you get over here.
Touchscreen, it just doesn't light up until you touch something.
You can't tell what the temperature is until you actually touch it. So there's that. In here we have the bathroom. It's a little small, little compact, but you do have the nice sink. They give you the body wash, the lotions, all that stuff, toilet. This in here is the shower. Now I will say for this particular room, the shower needs a little help. The water gets super hot though. If you leave it running, it is amazing and it will scald your skin off. But
one thing I don't need to tell them something.
Oh.
This says cold, that says hot. This is hot, this is cold.
Yes.
And we stayed in a different room the first time and they're both the same.
Yeah, so it's like opposite stay when you're in here. But here's where they say the bathroom marble has been preserved from original 1931 construction. So the hotel was built in 1931. I was off on the date. But it is a beautiful hotel. Let's go show you the lobby real quick.
Also, don't forget to stop by Mega Pizza around the corner. It's amazing pizza.
This is the lobby. Let me show you around real quick. When you come through the front door, they do have a nice seating area over here. As you can see, the Melton children have taken full advantage of this. Over here is a water station. They have some really cool photos back here. The water station is complimentary while you're here in the lobby and at the hotel. My dude over here at the front desk, killing it, giving us all the secrets and tips and tricks around South Beach.
Definitely talk with him. He'll give you discounts on restaurants.
He will, and he'll put you in the
before we knew this.
He will put you in the right direction. Over here, they have a hookah bar. Now, we did not participate in this particular activity, but it is there available on site, and they do have happy hour. So keep an eye out for the specials there.
4 shots for 20 bucks.
Yeah, that's super cheap, and I've heard it's the cheapest in South Beach.
So they got a teddy bear.
All right, hold on.
Stay at Hotel Shelly. There are multiple different properties, like I think about 12 of them they said.
12?
And the one actually has a pool that you can go use, but it's on 17th Avenue.
Yeah, it's not close. They said it's about a 15-minute walk. They're accurate on their timing.
Yes, it is a very long walk.
I would suggest today the weather is beautiful in Miami. It's not too hot. It is humid. But if you're here and you happen to stay at Hotel Shelly or one of the sisters, I would suggest getting a Lyft, an Uber, a rideshare, a cab, or something, because it's a decent walk. And if it's hot, you're in trouble.
Probably went away too fast, but we did find out they have a little trolley system, a little bus.
It's free.
Yeah, it's free to ride.
So public transit, 2 thumbs up here.
So I would do that if I was coming down here to go to the pool.
It's called the Catalina.
All right, let's go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh man.
New update is not the Catalina.
So it technically is. So the Catalina, the Dolce, and the something else are all connected, and they said that they all share the pool. But for us to get to the pool, we have to go through the Mexican restaurant.
Yes, you walk through Taco and then push
4.
4.
So that's where we're headed. It's on the roof. We're going up. Yes, thank you.
I opened the door.
Oh, thank you very much.
They like opening the doors
Do you
for
have
you.
$1 or 2? Swiss tip. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, there's the elevator. We'll show you when we get up there.
This is nice.
It is nice.
It's nice. Like it's a little bit, of a walk, but I feel like you take public transit to get here for free. You got this cool rooftop patio. There's cabanas. There's little places for you to sit around. Pool's not real deep, which is good for kids. No lifeguard on duty, so you're on your own. But this right here looks refreshing.
On the other side, you have cornhole, some bathrooms, foosball, and ping pong.
And whenever you're ready.
Hi friend, how are you? Good to see you. All right, so fun fact about this pool, one thing you do need to know, you cannot bring food or drinks up here. If you want to drink, you have to go downstairs to the bar. They will provide you the drinks for the cabana.
All right, let's go to our own hotel and get checked in.
Yeah, the Italian bakery.
We did not get to try this place, but this looks absolutely amazing.
Very
Rosetta,
sad.
the Italian bakery. If we were here for another day, this would be where we're coming.
But you have him pronounce it, not you.
Italian trattoria.
We just got to try a sample of their pizza. It was the mushroom truffle, and this place is pretty ballin'. I would eat here.
It's very good. It's homemade, 100%.
Dude,
Awesome.
Yeah.
delicious.
And all our ingredient is exported from Italy.
I believe it.
Between Lincoln Road and 17th,
What's the address?
1656.
1656.
Collins?
Collins Avenue, yeah.
Yeah. Come here, this is
There's like
amazing.
a lot of places. The Rosetta looked amazing. This place tastes amazing. I actually tasted it, so I know it's good.
Thank you, sir.
Dude.
Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you so much,
Awesome.
guys.
Thank you very much.
They gave us a sample of that right there. It's the mushroom and truffle. That's
Yeah.
amazing. Laura over here being ridiculous.
Don't look. Nakedness. Gotta redress it. It's my dad's size.
What did you just say?
I've had all coffee today, and I'm still sleepy, 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 sleepy.
We've been going too hard for too many days.
I am so tired.
But we need to go eat. So, Bob knows.